Hello again. This is the second big bonus part for the first masterclass. For those who watched to the end, or just flipped to the end, I decided to create an additional video about notifications because the following would be handy. When an accountant puts information that an invoice has been paid, it would be great to send the user who created that invoice a notification, well, at least in the system here, that their invoice has been paid, or better yet, an email. And how do you do that? It's done through action codes. We do it in the simplest way. We have a field in which the accountant puts information, and we will write here action code. It will be executed when changing, and we will write here, if. Here a little bit immediately advanced level. It will consist in the following: old null field value. That is, the previous value of the field is equal to empty. Condition 2, null field value is not equal to empty. That is, it was empty and it is not empty, because there may be a situation that the accountant put the date and then kind of moved it to the second date, so that we do not send two notifications. We will look at all, was not, and then we will send it. And if it hasn't, we won't do anything. Notification. There's a cool function that's been around as of late. It's called notification send, action function. To understand what I'm doing here in the action code, see the tutorial, the basic part, the action code. And I'm sending it to which user. And we have a user here already in this. Duplicate tab in this table. Here we have users. It's also recorded who created this account here. And accordingly, we will make a header here. Your bill was paid. And here, actually, NTF is the notification. Let's use it for now. Here we can pass the following. Let's do this. We'll concatenate. Say your bill, like this. Your bill, plus plus. And here we put the number, bill number, and plus plus. Say that was paid. There, was paid. Okay, so this concatenation is covered. There's in the training course. There's also a straightforward separate video about stringing together. And let's see, we have a user here, TTM user. And we're not an accountant, because let's switch to accountant. Not paid, accepted, that's it, you can't test now. Let's switch to director. No, let's switch to manager. Here we go, we say accepted. Switch to director, director says, yes, please pay already. The manager, or rather the accountant says, yay, cool, paid. And now we are looking at what happened at the user. And the user received this notification, has been paid. And the alternative we can do is to send an email. If you have everything correctly installed and configured, Totem can send email from itself. And in this case, we have this story. Not NTF only, but this code here. We say it in email and paste it here as well. And the email will be sent. I'm not sure I have email set up on this scheme. User notifications, they're right here in the bell. And this is the one that he received. He can turn it on and see it. Any notification can be viewed again. Well, and disable it back in the same way. That's all about the notification bonus. Bye-bye.